real quick, I want to show you guys what we're working with here and what we're going to be installing. Opening up the package, you get some really simple packaging of these nice high gloss carbon fiber accessories around the parts of your steering wheel. So you have, and then finally the piece for the bottom of your steering wheel. And these just stick on. They're just held on by that 3M tape, but they really add some really nice dash cover that I've reviewed on the channel before. This would look excellent and make a great addition to the interior. First steps I like to do when doing any of these 3M product or installations where I'm actually just using some of that 3M sticky tape is prepare my surfaces. So I like to use a couple of these alcohol wipes and just make sure that none of my fingerprint residue, my skin oils, dust, get all of that stuff off my surfaces so it really creates a nice kind of bonding surface. So we're going to open one of these. Put that trash out of the way, and then we're going to clean off these areas really nicely and just make sure that I really kind of want good adhesion over all of it. So clean off all those oils, all that gunk, and just make sure that I have a really nice surface for when I'm sticking these on my steering wheel here. One thing you might be asking about is this going to interfere with any of the airbag situation from when the airbag goes off? The airbag is all contained in this center part here, so it shouldn't have any impact of these side pieces or this bottom piece when you're actually, installing these. I'm not going to have any issues with shrapnel flying in my face or anything like that. I think you're going to be plenty fine for when it's time to, if you ever do get in an accident and your airbag goes off, I think you'll be just fine. All right, let that kind of dry for a second, and then let's come back and start peeling off some of that adhesive and we'll stick them on. All right, my surfaces are nice and clean. We're going to go ahead and start peeling off some of this 3M VHB tape, which looks really nice, by the way. I'm glad they used the genuine 3M stuff. And let's just kind of take our time, peel it off, try not to get it. Try not to touch the sticky stuff too much. All right, that's all of the bottom piece exposed. Let's line it up really good before we kind of stick it on here. This bottom one fits in this like grooves almost perfectly. So once it's nice and stuck on, we're just going to kind of give it some pressure. You can kind of hear it clicking into place, which means it's kind of like those sticky adhesive parts are sticking on there real good. Give it some nice firm pressure, hold it for a few seconds, just take your time with it, line it up real nice. All right, one part done. I'm really happy with how that looks. Let's get the other two done. So this is how it turned out. I really like this. I think. Well, that about wraps up this video. I really like this little just additional carbon fiber accessories on my steering wheel here. I think it looks really sharp. It adds a little bit of pop to the inside of my car without doing a full steering wheel replacement or replacing with a yoke. There are lots of options for replacement steering wheels for your Tesla if you want to go down that route. But if you just want a little bit of extra flair, just to kind of give your car that little sporty edge, make it look a little sleeker with some genuine carbon fiber, I really like these additions from TesStudio. Big thank you guys to watching the video, and a big thank you for TesStudio for sending these over to me for a review. If you're interested in these steering wheel accessory trim covers in genuine carbon fiber, I'll leave a link to them down in the description. Always use discount code GAMBLE1080 whenever you shop at TesStudio. I think right now it saves you 26%, so incredible savings if you want to pick something like this up or any of the other awesome accessories from TesStudio that I've reviewed, like this electronic sunshade that I installed a few weeks ago. Absolutely love that. You guys have been loving on that video, so I'll leave a link to that down in the pinned comment too if you want to check it out. TesStudio is the way to go. If you're interested in anything else I've reviewed on the channel, I'll leave a link down below to my link tree, and I'll have some video on screen of what it looks like, but you can check out all the videos and all of the accessories that I've reviewed in that link tree. So make sure you check that out as well. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. If you like this type of content, I have a lot more coming down the road. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.